Hey, good morning everybody. It is early August. I'm here with my friend Matt Robertson. The beauty of beekeeping is the community that you sharing ideas and sharing resources. Matt's coming out here to help me today. We're going to get ready to take these supers off, and we're going to join a bigger section of our beekeeping community tomorrow and harvest all this honey. So Matt's gracious to let me borrow what's called a fume board and Fisher's Bee Quick, which is an all natural. He just told me, in fact, this is a mixture of almond oil extract and like an alcohol product. So the bees hate this. There's lots of ways to get the bees out of the hive. You can blow them, you can shake them, you can use traps. This is the simplest, most effective, and quickest. So we're going to get to work as we get these bees out of the hives and prepare for harvest tomorrow. Matt, you think we need to spray these some more? All right. I'm going to smoke it to let them know we're coming. Morning, girls. There's a lot of activity on this top board again, which is great. We know that this super and this super are capped and ready to go. We'll check in this top one and see if by chance we've made some progress. This should just come off my ventilation. Well, even this has got a lot of propolis on it. Really strong hive. What are you seeing that makes these bees look young?
Just
Size?
Size, yeah. Pretty good. I mean,
Queen's still active. We've got some great footage of some nice orientation flights on this hive particularly. It's a good, strong hive. It has been strong, which I always remind myself of. When I picked these bees up in the nook, they were noticeably strong from day one. Just in the noise that they made and how active they were. I still don't think we've got anything capped, but I'm just going to take one frame out here just to see. Let's load it up properly. Yeah, still nothing. They're building it out and eating it. What do you see there, Matt? Got some hive beetles. We're going to try to make them go away. All right, so go to the next. I've got my hive built the way it is on purpose, so I've got some space in between my hives, so I can take this down, put the other one on. Right here in between. Okay, so now just as a reminder, this is beautiful capped honey. Tomorrow we'll be eating it. Look at that, Matt. Look at the beauty. All right, so we're going to put the fume board on top of this, close up the hive. We'll move this. Come on, girl. We're going to put this fume board on and close it up. So I put the top on, or just the...
No, just the fume board.
Just the lid? No, just the fume board. Alrighty. Takes about 5 minutes. And now we wait. Woo!